It's 2:46 right now. I'm doing a launch today. I just thank God for all the orders I have been receiving. I appreciate it. Still got the 25% off sale. The link will be in the description. These are display cards. I use these when it comes to packing my orders. I notice I'm starting to run out of stuff. Spending my money on my supplies. Yeah, I want to make sure I have what I need. So my earnings, I get like an email. But the thing is, like my earnings, I'm really trying to keep an eye on it, make sure it's doing me right. I'm trying to make the right decisions. So I don't want to start my website and I'm not able to pay all the monthly plans. I really don't know. Yeah, so I'm running out of these. I'm mainly gonna use them when I have like a bracelet stack that comes together. I guess I don't really need that. I don't know. I haven't used this in a while, but it's like the paper or whatever. But I haven't used it yet. But yeah, these boxes, I had these boxes for a little minute, and somebody on my YouTube commented like, can you like send a blind gift? What I was thinking, what they was thinking was like have like a mystery, like without them knowing, like mystery to see what it is. So it's like a good idea. I was thinking about it, but I'm gonna include it in this launch where you're gonna find out what is gonna be inside. So I'm gonna use these boxes, these brown boxes. I got these brown boxes from Shein actually. So some of my stuff I do get from Shein when it comes to my business supplies, so I can have something more affordable so I'll be able to afford it. So I'm trying to stay on budget. It's good quality too. And then I think I'm gonna add this Hello Kitty bracelet in one of these boxes. I'm going to add this bracelet in here, and then this bracelet in here, and then this one. Somebody told me to make this one. It was a custom one, but they didn't order it, so I'm just gonna include it in a box. So if there's something, guys, that you want on my shop, make sure to get it while you can, because anything sell out. I'm just telling you, I have seen it. You know, make this jewelry. I be creative with it, but it's different styles and stuff that you can pick from. So I hope you like what I do. Also, this ring light, I did do like a video of me opening it, and I said where I got it from in my other vlog. It's my recent vlog that I just did. So you can check it out if you want to know where I got it from. I say it in there. This is my new charm, beach. It's giving beach summer vibes. I'll be adding this to my shop today too. I think it was gonna be like it's not gonna be a big launch, just because I do have to pay to put the stuff on there, and right now I gotta make sure with Etsy, with the payment and stuff, make sure that's good right now. But it's okay. I really want to just start my Spotify, because I just think that would be better. I don't have to, because I just don't like all these fees. Just let me know what you guys think, because I really want to just do that, because I don't have to worry about all these fees. I just want to make the right decision too. Maybe I should just wait. Oh, that is so pretty. I was actually gonna have these charm bracelets on my shop. It's gonna be like 2 in stock for those. I do want to make more of those, but it'd be like different ones, or I have to see. Phone charms that I have made, I think I'm just gonna add them to my shop. I'm gonna stuff I add to my shop, I don't be knowing like gonna do well or not, so it's just more of like just testing it out and see who wants it. Some of my stuff takes longer to sell, so don't think it just pop off like that. It don't be like that. When you start your business, it's gonna take some time, but everybody's journey is different. So if you see my business, I just want you guys to be inspired. I want you guys to be inspired. I want you guys to compare yourself to me. Everybody's journey is different. Yours is gonna go a different way than mine. My business, my brand is way different. I like to, have good quality stuff and put my stuff best I can, because I like matching stuff up. So it's like my way of showing my creativity through my accessories. I don't know if I like this. Take this case off. If you're still watching this, put a star in the comments so I know who you guys are, who are the people who's watching my videos all the way through, because I do appreciate it. I'm gonna try to make my videos short. So I want that watch time to be up. Help me girl out, please. I hope my videos are good. I really do try. I like doing them. Alright, there you go. Got that done. I want some pictures of it, like what it looks like on there so you can visual. You might want to add it to your case. So I look more into it. And I just want to improve my photos and stuff. So, and this is another phone charm that I made so you can add it to your phone. But this one has like a card. It's like black. So if you like that type of style, you got this right here. I'm gonna add this one to my shop too. I try to do a different angle so you can kind of see it. I really like this one. That's it. This is gonna be a small launch. But the more I sell out of stuff, that's when I'm gonna be doing bigger launches. But I really want to start my own just website. I know my bed looks terrible. I make it up. Right now, I'm just writing the description for mystery boxes. So I'm adding one of the products in my shop right now. There's gonna like be in the mystery box. It's gonna be like you're not gonna know. It's gonna be a mix of like different like you can get a bracelet or you might even get a surprise phone charm or you might get some earrings or so you never know what you can get in there. The only way to find out is to just open it. But it's a nice, it's actually kind of fun. What's gonna be in the box is gonna be putting this pink, what to call it. I don't even know what it is. I think it's paper, shredded paper, but the texture of it's different. It's on there, it's on there, I just launched it. I have the other stuff right quick. On there, like what? We did it, what? It's on there. So it's like 3 more days until the sale is gone. So that's why I keep reminding you guys, just because I don't want you guys to miss out on it. And if there's something you want on there, it's best to act quick before it's too late. But the 25% off, you can get that off when you do order. So you get that, which is nice because that's a nice little deal. So I'm trying to hurry up. What? Now Etsy's telling me the quality is not good of the photo. Since I got this app, that's how I am able. It's called Etsy Seller. You can also get it if you're an Etsy seller. It helps out a lot. It tells me when the quality is not good, which is irritating, but at the same time, it helped me improve as well. All right, let me shut up. All right, I think it's just, here we go. It's on there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just launched 4 things on my shop. This is everything I added to my shop. I just made a video for my social media apps I'm on, so you can find them on my shop now. So you got the beach summary charm bracelet. This is my first time adding a bracelet like this to my shop, so that's exciting. These are my new phone charms. We got the black and white, so I feel like it just really goes together. And then I have this pink one with the heart on there. So these are my 2 phone charms I just launched. Mystery gift boxes, so you So this is how it's looking so far. I still got some ways to go. I still gotta finish the boxes. I did do this one, but I realized I don't actually have that many boxes. I didn't get any orders today, but today I did get my packages, so I'm gonna box it with you guys. And I did cut one of my blue bracelets. People said that they was interested, but they didn't get it. I think I'm gonna cut it, fix it up. And the bracelet I'm talking about, I'm not sure what I should do. I'm starting to think maybe I should just do CB rings, because then that's kind of easier for me. When I get my beads, it does add up, because I don't just get one. I be running out of stuff. I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do. But this one, I'm gonna cut it, and I think I might just take it off my shop, and then I might redo it, and I don't know if stuff, I'm gonna add it back to my shop. But for now, I'm just going to open these. I know you guys are probably gonna ask me where I get my beads from, but I get my stuff online. How you can find bead places is just like look it up and do some research. I'm not sure if I'm gonna share everything where I get it from, just because I want my stuff to be like one of a kind. I want my stuff to be different where nobody can replicate it. But yeah, so I have suppliers. Most surprises came. Well, I do get my stuff from random places, but Hobby Lobby is a good place. Get you white beads, some darker beads. I didn't know, I ordered this a while ago, but I do have some other stuff coming too. These are my darker beads. But I will be doing bead kits when I can. I still haven't gotten down to it because I'm trying to put my bracelets together. There's just a lot going on behind the scenes and keeping up with the comments, but at the same time run my business. It gets overwhelming. I'm trying my best. These. So I feel like my YouTube is my job. I got this. I'll give me a job though. And I think I'm gonna see about college. I want to be able to get out the house and do some other things besides just run this business. I think I need someone else to kind of support me too. You know, this is my small business, and you know, I'm posting a lot about it. You know, I put the work in to get my business out there. Ooh, look at my hair. But these are the rhinestones. I think I'm gonna focus on more making more videos. It's just, I don't know, I feel like I'm starting to get exhausted and I feel unmotivated. And I'm trying so much with my videos, and then nobody's watching my videos all the way through half of my videos. So I'm really focusing on what can I do to change that. And Amazon has some beads too, but I'll be doing bead kits hopefully when I can. But they add some string to this. But other businesses sell beads too. So if you see a bracelet business, go to their shop and see if they have it in their shop, because people have bead kits and all that type of stuff than you know what I have right now. And now I'm just gonna focus on one thing at a time, but it's gonna be like on a string, and it's like these are different beads, so I don't know. I'm gonna do like a restock video after this vlog out, so you guys can check out that video.